By the end of this video, even if it's your first time ever touching the piano, you'll be able to play about 20 plus famous worship songs among many with only 3 chords. These 3 chords altogether are collectively called the primary chords of a particular key, and they are the major building block of any chord progression of a particular song. So when I say 3 chords in this context, I mean diatonically speaking with respect to a certain key. I actually mean the chord 1, the chord 4, and the chord 5 in a particular key. For the sake of simplicity, I'll be showing you these 3 chords in just one key out of the 12 keys we have on the piano, that is the key of C. However, it's highly recommendable you still learn these 3 chords in other 12 keys once you've gotten comfortable in the key of C. The 3 chords in the key of C are simply the C major chord, which is the chord 1 in the key of C, F major chord, made up of F, A, and C, which is the chord 4, and the 5th chord is this chord, which is G major chord made up of G, B, and D. Right, now that you've understood these 3 chords, let's now see about 20 live examples of worship songs that you can play with just these 3 chords.
Come thou fount of every blessing, tune my heart to sing thy grace. Streams of mercy never ceasing, flow for souls of loudest praise. Teach me some melodious sonnet, sung by flaming tongues above.
I have more than a song. Today I brought myself. I am the sacrifice. I have more than a song. I brought myself. I am your worship.
Your presence is heaven to me. Oh Jesus, your presence is heaven to me.
You are Yahweh. You are Yahweh, Alpha and Omega. You are Yahweh, Alpha and Omega. Falling on my knees. This is our posture before you. We submit ourselves to you, Lord, falling on my knees. Yes, God. We'll say it just one more time. No throne without the cross. There's no sacrifice without your blood. All this you did for me. No me without you. No throne without the cross. There's no sacrifice without your blood. All this you did for me.
hakuna kama wewe. Unastahili wewe, hakuna kama wewe Bwana, unastahili kuabudiwa. Tunakupa sifa tukisema wastahili Bwana.
His name is higher than any other. His name is Jesus. His name is Jesus. His name is Lord. His name is Lord. His name is higher than
I can only imagine when that day comes and I find myself standing in the sun. I can only imagine when all I will do is forever, forever worship you. I can only imagine, yeah.
Jesus, oh, we bow before your throne. Say, Jesus.